In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an online video. By the end, you'll be able to drop a video straight into a OneNote page and play it without leaving your notes, which is perfect for lectures, meetings, or project research. Here's how it works. Start by opening your web browser and going to the video you want to use. You can use YouTube, and the same approach also works with Vimeo and Dailymotion on most platforms. When you're on the videos page, highlight the address in your browser's address bar and copy it. That URL is all OneNote needs to create an embedded player. Now switch to OneNote and open the page where you'd like the video to appear. Click to place your cursor exactly where you want the player to sit in your notes, then paste the URL using Ctrl+V. As soon as you paste, OneNote will automatically convert that plain link into an embedded, playable video. Give it a second if your internet connection is slow. You'll see the player appear in place of the text link. Once the video is embedded, you can press play right inside OneNote. The familiar controls are there, so you can start, pause, scrub through the timeline, and adjust volume without opening a browser tab. This keeps everything you need, your notes and your reference video, together in one view. If the player feels too big or too small, just resize it. Click the video, and then drag its edges or corners until it fits your layout. This is handy when you're arranging notes, images, and videos on the same page and want everything to look neat and readable. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If the link doesn't transform into a player, double check that you copied the video's full URL from the address bar and that you're online. Try pasting again with Ctrl+V in a clear spot on the page. Also note that embedding works on most platforms for YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion, but older versions of OneNote or certain managed environments may handle this differently. That's really all there is to it. Copy the video URL from your browser, paste it directly into your OneNote page with Ctrl+V. Watch as it becomes an embedded player, and resize as needed. It's a small step that makes a big difference in keeping your research and media organized and easy to revisit. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more interactive OneNote experience.